Hello everybody, my name is Ronald Baez. I am a student of system engineers. I work for the financial sectors, banks, and switch and developing apps. And I live with my family as well. I support it. And on Sundays, I will ride my bikes and go up for the highest mountains of the La Sabana of Bogota. And next, I will show my infography. This is my infography. My vacations in weekend. The last vacation that I lived from my home, I remember that I went to Boyacá with my family. That was about 5 years ago. We stayed there for about 1 month. The cost was not too expensive because we stayed in the house of my father and aunt. We woke up early every morning and went for a walk. We knew the mountain of Monserrate. By the way, we can ask is on Monserrate. This is the stage 2, the weathering weekend. The weathering weekend is most of the time cloudy. When you go up Monserrate, you can see the clouds burning. It's amazing. Although the weather in the mountain is very cool, at night always is cold, and sometimes it's raining a lot. The recommendation is important that the people carry clothes for the cool weather. It's good idea that the persons have a good camera to take nice pictures. It's recommended carry water and snacks when you climb the mountains. It's necessary to leave early for the walks. It's necessary that people have a phone with full battery. It's recommended that take a rest among the different activities. It's important to have enough money in the pockets. It's recommended that a guide with the persons to the different and unknown places. The stage 3, what you should do. You should buy a guidebook. You had better staying on time at the terminal. And you all carry warm clothes because the weather is cool usually. What should you know? You should carry animals or plants from a different ecosystem. You should not go with the first strangers that offer you help. And if you feel lost, you should not lose the country. That is all. Thank you.